Yo, what's good, guys? Southtoss Tech, and I'm gonna teach you how to make a WordPress website quickly and for free. All right, first thing we're gonna do is you're gonna go to XAMPP, and we're gonna click on that download button. And I usually pick the oldest one up there because it probably has the least amount of bugs on it. So we go ahead and click that download button, and it should bring up the XAMPP installer. So we give that a click, and we give it permission, and we should be seeing XAMPP opening up. And we get this little error right here. It is perfectly okay to just click OK here, and we can click next. And actually, we have to go back and we have to unclick these because we're only going to be using MySQL and PHP admin. So make sure everything else is clicked. Click next, and this is where you're going to be picking where XAMPP is going to be downloaded to. So this is also going to have all of your WordPress websites in it, so put it somewhere where you're going to want all that stuff. And I already have XAMPP installed, so I'm just going to back out of that, and I'm going to get out of here. And now we can open up XAMPP. XAMPP, and we start that up. And this is pretty much just your local server. First thing you can do is click the start button here for your Apache and your MySQL. It's going to need some permission, and you may need to check these two boxes right here, possibly. I don't need them checked right now. And if these aren't starting for you, there's a method that if you go into your task manager, at least this method worked for me. You go into your task manager here and you search for MySQL and you end that task. Maybe you were working with it before and you maybe didn't know or something like that. There could possibly be like a port open or something that you weren't aware of. So all you have to do is end that task and you should be good to go. So now we can open a new browser and go right to our local host, just like that. Type in localhost, and we should get to our XAMPP dashboard. All right, after that, we want to open up a new tab and we want to go to WordPress.org, and we click on that blue button right on the right, that Get WordPress, and we want to download the latest WordPress version. So click on that download button and we can save it, and we're going to wait for this to download. And there we go, the WordPress zip file is downloaded. And so now we're going to go to it, to our downloads. We're going to extract all. Extract it right here. Might take a minute. All right, our download is complete. And now we have a full WordPress fresh website right here in our folder. And now what we're going to do is we're going to keep this folder open and we're going to go into another folder. And this folder is going to be where you installed XAMPP originally. So right here, it's on my local C. I'm going to click it. And then after this, we're going to go look for the htdocs folder right there. So it should be wherever you downloaded it, XAMPP, and then htdocs. And once we get that, we're going to drag this WordPress fresh install over into that htdocs folder. And we can click that out. We don't need it anymore. And this is going to be your fresh WordPress website right here. So you can name it whatever you want. So go click there. I usually just hold it, and then there you go, like that. And here's where we're going to name our folder. I'll just name it WordPress for free tutorial, or tut. Let's just do tut. All right, cool. We got that folder done and saved. So now we can open up a new browser, and instead of localhost, we will go to our WP for free tut, the folder we just created, and it should bring you to a full fresh WordPress install just like this. So I'm going to click on English. Let's go. And now we need to create a new database. It is very easy, very simple. I'll walk you through it. All we need to do is go to a new browser just like this, and we go to our local host, right to our dashboard, and we click on this PHP My Admin. And here we can make a new database on our PHP My Admin. So you can call it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it WP for free tut, and we hit that create button right there, and you can see it on the left side over here. So we're just gonna use that as our database name, WP for free tut. And for the username, you could just call it root, or you call whatever you want. I just leave the password because it's only going to be locally on your computer. And now you can run a fresh installation of WordPress. Again, here you can do whatever you want. You can make the site title. You can your generic username if you want. You want to make a new username, whatever you want to do. And the password, I just keep the password the same. And you add in your email, and you can install WordPress. Log in using those credentials you just created. And here you are. Here's a brand new WordPress website. Quick, easy, free. And here you can go to your themes. You can add new themes. You can even do custom ones. You can experiment around. You can pretty much just like anything with WordPress, you could just do whatever you want here. You can go to your plugins. You can make new plugins or add new plugins. You have the whole store here. You can search for plugins. Pretty much anything that you can do on a official WordPress website. This is going to be your clean install, and to repeat the process, all you have to do is just go download a new WordPress file from the WordPress.org, and you put it into your htdocs folder from your XAMPP. Then make a new database from your PHP My Admin dashboard, and you can make as many WordPress websites as you want. It's a simple process. You can do it over and over and over and over and over again for free. And this is where you can come and just experiment and customize the new features or new settings, or just have some fun. But if you guys learned something new, if you guys enjoyed the video, definitely make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I hope you guys stay blessed. This is htdocs Tech, and I am out of here. Peace.